How to join Fantasy Premier League with code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the fantasy option on the bottom of your screen, and in this particular interface, you will see the option for leagues and cups. So under the leagues and cups tab, tap on the join leagues option you see there, and then go ahead and enter the private league code that you want to join, and then tap on the join a league option you see there. And if you want to join a public league, you can tap on the public option and then choose if you want to join a public classic scoring league or a public head-to-head league. Simply choose your preferred option and then tap on the join a league option you see there. And with this, as you can see, if you scroll down, you have been joined to public leagues that you just entered. So this was about how you can join a league in Fantasy Premier League with code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.